fix Facebook game not loading. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search here for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, and you have to scroll down and click on storage option. Now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop, click also OK. And what's next? Then you have now to go to your Play Store and update your Facebook if it's not updated. And after this you will see that your problem has been solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.